I'm going to be reviewing this Fireplace. I've had it for quite a while. I absolutely love it. It comes with a remote. I did lose the remote. It's like a small black remote, super easy to use. But if you do happen to lose the remote, you also have the alternative to be able to operate it on the fireplace itself, which I absolutely love. It's kind of hard to see. They're pretty transparent.
So here are the buttons here. So you can turn on the heat. You can change the color of the rocks at the bottom as well as the flames. There are about 12 flame colors, and it includes 3 classic flame colors, red, orange, and blue. Honestly, there's nothing that I did not like about this fireplace. I did have it installed. I would say my favorite part about it is the heater that is on it. It doesn't emit a lot of heat, but I mean, it gets the job done. It's a super sleek, modern design and a high quality product.